Hi everybody, RevEssie here on the 27th of June 2012, and I just heard some things on TV this morning on the news that I would like to share with you quickly. You know, I make end time, sometimes I make end time videos, and I just wanted to let you know, I didn't know if you heard it yet or not, but two things I heard this morning. Three. One, Florida is flooding so horribly that people, when they walk through the water, are getting bitten by snakes. And they also said that red ants are floating in the water in like little puffs or something, little circles of puffs. And they said that when it hits up against your leg, it bursts open and the red ants crawl on you and bite you. That's horrible. And then this morning I also heard that, and it was on Good Morning America, Sam Champion said, and he's very careful with his words, he didn't just sputter this out, you know, but he said that the state of Colorado is actually on fire. We're sure it's probably certain places, but it's so bad now that they're just considering it as the state of... Folks, we're talking about, God is not a joke. And he's been trying to tell us to come to Jesus Christ. We're kicking him out of schools. Okay, we're telling him he's not good enough. We don't appreciate what he's done for us or given us. You know, what do people think is going to happen? This reminds me of the story in Isaiah. I believe Isaiah or Ezekiel. How can you burn up? How can a state that is known for snow, being cold with snow, all that water, frozen water, how can it be on fire and burn up? Not Arizona, you know, well, Arizona I think had their time too, but not really hot. It's not always hot states. Colorado is known for snow. People go there for skiing, and it's on fire. And I just heard the third thing, which should cause some concern. I tried to tell people a couple years ago in my videos, what are you going to do whenever the elevators don't run, the lights and gas and electric are off, and well, gas and electric is off, and you know, what are you going to do when you can't get gas for your car, or you can't get pills for your medicine for your body? And I just heard on the news now that the government is capping what they call prescription projects. And one lady got on and she said quickly, I guess they're going to show it tonight on WTAE. You can see it on WTAE.com or the PittsburghChannel.com. They're going to show it tonight. A lady said, she said, I am not a project. Okay, here we go now. You know, what are diabetics going to do without their medicine? Cancer patients. What are people who really need these things to live, actually live from? What are we going to do, folks? The government is now pulling our prescriptions. So, it's on. RevEssie signing off, praying for you. Please pray for me and mine, because it's on. Accept Jesus now as your Savior. If you don't understand it by now, you never will. God bless you.